'Cause it is! This week we are decorating for Christmas to get that Christmas vibes going. I'm so hyped for the music, the presents, the cookies, but today we start the vlog with one gloomy morning. It is so gloomy today, guys. It's so depressing. It's gonna be like this for a couple months, I feel like. Oh, as you can see, we started shopping for our Christmas stuff yesterday. And here's Max getting his PS5 as an early Christmas present.
Hey guys, so I got a notification from Walmart that my pre-order arrived for the PS5. I'm so excited.
Technically, he bought it himself, but using the money from the bank account in which we share, so I paid for half of it, right? I hope you love your present, Max. I thoughtfully picked it out for you, just for you. Christmas this year is a really special one for us. This time last year we were both separated and we were really sad to not be able to spend the holidays together, so we intend to make this one absolutely perfect.
Look, yes, you have big balls.
Shopping for Christmas was both fun and wildly stressful.
Look, it's Pet Patrol.
It's Paw Patrol.
Oh.
There were many array of decorative objects to choose from that it became a little bit overwhelming.
Actually, I hate them. I hate them.
I thought you said you don't like too much red.
We ended up ordering our tree online because the one they had at Walmart looked sad and just wrong.
You know what kind of vibe I want for my tree, actually? I want like a homely vibe.
We went with red and silver for the color scheme of the ornaments.
All aboard the Polar Express.
Deciding all of this was like pulling teeth. We both have very different tastes when it comes to decor, so it's always difficult to do any decorating. Hence why our apartment is still quite empty 7 months into our lease.
So one for me, one for you, and one for Brutus.
Yay.
Our Christmas shopping extended into day 2.
I'm gonna get both of them.
Okay.
It's fine?
You're gonna just place them like that?
Yeah. You put the hair upside down on that one. It's like Dobby the Elf. Dobby has no friend.
Dobby's a free elf. Just pick one.
That's literally like the reality of shopping with Max every single time. He takes 6 hours to just pick anything. He's like, I want the best. I'm like, how good can I get at the Dollarama?
I'll always get the best. Look, I got you.
Okay. We really churned the wheels of capitalism this week, but hey, if the byproduct of that is warmth, coziness, and good loving vibes, I say, why not?
So one for me, one for you, one for Brutus.
Churn that wheel.
You getting the Star Wars wrapping? Luke, I'm your father.
No, you're my daddy. Then with all that decor in hand, we begin to decorate our apartment. Starting with putting up this garland.
What you doing there?
Well, I'm preparing a decoration for the Christmas tree that we just got. You want to set it up with me?
Do you guys like my Christmas bear? Well, it's not Christmas, this is like Polo playing bear.
First, idea number 1.
Like this.
We did it. Oh, don't eat the decoration, yes.
I'm eating the fruit nipple.
How long is it gonna take for the tree, you think? You're dressing him for Christmas. Brutus, you know, an elf.
You like the elf color? You feel pretty? Wanna make a tree with you?
Oh, this is the top. Oh, this is the top. Facts. Umbrella again. Alright, let's start with putting this on the pole. How does that work? This is the way. How are you doing there, buddy? I'm the supervisor. I supervise the operation. You're doing well.
The tree is officially defluffed.
Almost.
All of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean.
Oh, it's not yellow.
It's blue. We did not even read if it was yellow or blue light. I could have used this as a tree topper.
Oh, it's so much prettier than the other one.
So I think, babe, we're gonna have to go back to Walmart to return it. I hope you still have your Christmas spirit. It's so cold outside. I didn't want to have to go. there.
It is full on winter here already, guys. It is so freezing.
Building a Christmas tree, but the lights are broken. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Good night, take care.
Let's go. Hey, there's a banana.
We're turning the fairy lights right now. I swear to God, like, we have the worst attention deficit disorder because we came here for fairy lights and we ended up doing like a whole thing of groceries. But we finally got lamps for the bedroom. Type A E26 bulb, 60 watt max. We ended up getting smart bulbs as well. I've never had one.
How fun is that?
It's so fun.
Whenever you're in the mood, you can be like, pink.
Exactly. Or purple. Let's paint the room red. Red is like sex dungeon vibes.
A night of torrid passion in color. Maple syrup.
Max is upset because I got him a quarter pounder with no bacon because I completely forgot. I'm only human.
It's fine. I'm not gonna cause a tantrum.
He's gonna punish me for it.
You got food.
How cute is the Canadian's McDonald's?
Oh, right.
Only one thing missing. You know what it is? Bacon. How about let's start where we left off. The lights.
Can we wrap this around you?
I'm not a Christmas tree, yes. This feels like a bonding experience with lights.
Say Merry Christmas, boys and girls.
Merry Christmas, boys and girls!
Okay. We start with the red balls.
Red balls, my tree.
These doesn't have like strings on it.
Really? How are we supposed to hook them? Is it inside somewhere?
Is it supposed to come with strings or?
You're telling me we have to go back to Walmart.
Do we have to buy strings with these? Well, second time we have to go back to Walmart because we forgot stuff. Because we're complete amateurs at hanging Christmas trees.
It's gonna be fun, you said. Let's build our own Christmas tree, you said. I forgive you.
There's no more light inside of me.
Let's decorate the front part first because it's the one that's gonna look the best.
Since I didn't really have a solid vision as to what I wanted the tree to look like, we turned to Pinterest to give us an inspo. Our tree is a loose interpretation of this one that we fell in love with. We loved the color palette and the little bit of sparseness, although our tree ended up looking like it belongs to Macy's department store.
So let's stick the gift underneath.
That means the rest of the month I have to sleep underneath the tree because I'm a kid.
The gift that keeps on giving.
The shit that keeps on shitting.
Alright, I give you the honor. Yeah, get it? Ah! No.
Just jam it in. Oh.
Push.
There we go.
Hey babe, come join me, I have a game for you. Crafting time.
As long as there's white cream, I can be very creative. Knead massage icing pouch for 1 minute to a soft consistency.
That was a fail, it just broke. Well, there goes our gingerbread house.
There's our beautiful solar-powered gingerbread house.
Well, at least we tried. At least we did not give up.
I would give us a B+.
You don't usually let it drop like that.
It tastes gross. We'll see you guys again next week where we're going to do part 2 of the Say Yes challenge.
Oh no.
Oh yes.
Bye guys.
Bye.
All of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till this